What is going on, guys? How you guys doing? Hope you had a good day, and I hope y'all had a good holidays and happy New Year. Since this is post New Year, I know it's been some time, but everything has been well with me. I've been studying for a certification called Security Plus. It's going to be my second time around retaking it. I missed it by 10 points the first time, but anyways, other than that, I've been grinding it out on 2K. But I haven't had a chance to buy anything until as of recent. So this is why we're going to be doing this review. I ordered some more from Shop Hello Mary. Definitely got the Zelda again because that's been fire. The old A1AOG was sold out when I did it, but yeah, ordered this on Monday. Today is Thursday, so pretty quick turnaround. I think it's always better when you order it at the beginning of the week because it's faster processing. I don't know, because from ordering it on that Thursday or Friday, then getting it like a week later with priority, I just felt like it wasn't worth it. So if you're gonna get it from Shop Hello Mary, always better to get it or to order it at the beginning of the week. So that's just my tip. But anyways, without further ado, let's get this open and see what we got. Huh. No cards this time, but that's what we got. Dang, November 20th? Tough. We're going to see what it's looking like since it was packaged. This is not recent, but first time getting this. I heard a lot of things on the Reddit and some of the reviews online, so, I definitely had to get this for science. Reindeer Runs. This came with a bundle. I got some holiday bundle. I forgot what the hell it was called, but it was like $100. You get a 5-pack of Jolly Joints, Rosin gummies. All right, without further ado, let's open one of these up. This smells really good. But look at the purple on that. Nice. Let's get it weighed up. Right on the dot. These are definitely micros, but definitely some colorful ones. And it has a snap. Dang, broke off pretty nice. As you can see, it stays on my finger too. It smells really good. All right, let's move on to the next one. Jolly Joints. I think you get 5 of these. Yep, 5. So you get the 5-pack of pre-rolls, you get the mistletoe mint rosin, and the rainbow runts, all for $100, which I think is not a bad deal. It's pretty good. But little pre-rolls. Definitely nice before the gym. J for the week. What else we got? Let's open up this mistletoe mints. I'm not gonna open up the Zelda because honestly, I'm gonna get through the reindeer runts first. But we already reviewed the Zeldas, and y'all already know how I feel about that. Nice. Always love these packagings on these. Let's see if I can open this shit. All right. Took me a little bit just to get this open, just to cut it, but because look, I messed up. I was gonna go this way, but I wanted to leave the packaging on it. Look. Looks like some nice stuff. Definitely got a little smell to them. I can't describe. Really can't describe the smell, to be honest with you. But we'll definitely take a dab at this. This one I'm really excited about. Look at that. Okay, so now I'm basically just getting the indentation out the way. Can't describe the smell, to be honest. But if I compare the consistencies, you can definitely tell them apart. I'll be back with my puff girl. Give me a sec. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these quick little review in the same video because it's been a minute. So I have to apologize. I'm really trying to get better at this, but with the certification, I'm really trying to get the Security Plus out the way so that's one less thing to worry about. But once I get this thing out the way, should have at least a little bit more funds just to make more content again, because I just ordered 7 grams from the Diesel dispensary. I used to always see it on Twitter, but paid for 7 grams. It was like $200, $210 with shipping, so that's really not bad. But yeah, let me get this started. Try the mistletoe mints for y'all, and then right after, I'm gonna keep it in the same loop, but we're gonna take a HashBurger dab right after this. So thank you guys for being patient with me, and I appreciate you guys for watching, taking the time out of y'all day to watch this, because I buy things so that y'all don't have to waste y'all money. Damn, that was nice. Ain't one still. I'll crush that little. It is my first time ordering from Diesel Dispensary, by the way. Oh shit, that's $4.20. Nice. But yeah, let's try this HashBurger now. Now let's try this HashBurger. These turp pearls been doing the job. Definitely recommend those. Man, tough. Hell yeah. Still got a little bit chaff. That's crazy. But before I finish this, I should have never taken them back to back because I couldn't really give you a. Just know I'm pretty smack right now, but I don't know which one hit the best. Cause for right now, we'll see. I didn't really get much of a flavor. I can't really tell flavor. You heard me a little bit trying to smack my lips. You know, I'm trying to learn how to pause. You know, you trying to learn how to, you know, taste the weed and everything, or the THCA. My bad. But I'll get better with that. Maybe I'll watch a couple of YouTube videos of how to how to do all that. Cause yeah, it's not my forte. I just be getting smacked.